I've been using the Transit Duffel 27 liter from Mission Workshop, the little brother to the 35 liter Duffel. And in this video, I'll cover the good, the bad, who it's for, and how it stood out in the duffel bag category. Here's some stats. I chose this 27 liter size because it's not common. A lot of duffels start at 35 liters and go up. But this size was convenient to use as a weekender bag or like a daily park or beach bag. It's also designed to attach to a bike rack, but my road bike doesn't have one, so I didn't get to test it with the bike. The weight fluctuates based on the 4 material choices, and the usual suspects are there, but I liked this olive wax canvas version for 2 reasons. One is that there aren't too many heritage style duffel bags on the market, period, much less at this 27 liter size. I think GoRuck's wax canvas kit bag is probably the most similar. And if you want X-Pack or Cordura duffel, there are just a lot of options out there. And the second reason for this pick has to do with the construction. So starting with the outside, I liked the padded construction and strap design, and the minor gripe is that it's kind of boxy looking, but that's subjective. Build quality and materials are top notch. There's no plastic on the bag, it's all metal hardware. And honestly, 3.5 pounds is really heavy for a 27 ounce bag. A lot of 35 liter duffels are like 2 pounds. But the reason for that you can't really tell from the website is there's really thick foam padding that's inside these 3 sides of the bag. It gives it some structure and allows it to self-stand, gives it a lot of protection, and of course adds weight. And that's why the wax canvas was my choice. Like, the bag's already heavy, I might as well just get the heaviest material also and double down on the ruggedness of the bag. It's a symmetrical design except for this zipper, which I'll show later. So a slip pocket on each end here, slip pocket here, and a zip pocket, and the other side is the same. And these attachments are what go onto the bike handlebars, but it also gave the bag a nice look, and I stored like a wet towel or clothes or attached carabiners to here. There's the carry handles with buttons that also can be hidden away. And there's water sealed zippers, but I wanted to focus on this carry strap. It's interesting. It's removable with Velcro like this. It's a little slower to use than like the normal buckle or latch, but it looks pretty clean, and you just tuck in the ends. And the strap adjustment was awesome. It's a quick adjust mechanism on steroids. I found that while using it, I just tended to adjust it a lot, from hand carry to shoulder carry to crossbody if my hands were full. And the action was just so fast and smooth that it was just convenient to use. My only gripe on this strap is that there's no padded section for comfort, which is naturally the trade-off for having this quick adjust. And I'd much rather have the quick adjust, so it's fine. Moving to the inside, I covered the external pockets except for this one. So this is the 16-inch laptop compartment, and that's where all that padding comes into play. Super rare for duffels to have protective laptop compartment at all, but padding or not, I was hesitant to put the laptop down on its side. I had to try a few times for the sake of testing, and that thick padding did protect it well, like the laptop was fine, but maybe that's also because I was putting the bag down lighter, knowing there was a laptop in there. My point is, don't expect to just toss this thing around with the laptop. Coming down on the corner of a laptop just makes me nervous. And in the main area, there's a total of 4 slip pockets, 2 on each side, and just 1 large area, again with padding on the bottom. For the weekender trips, I fit 2 to 4 days worth of clothes. And you may be kind of mixed on the boxy shape, but it does pack well compared to more rounded shapes. And the self-standing was really nice at the park or the beach, where I'd kind of just leave the bag open next to me just to access stuff. Okay, so final thoughts, and who is this Transit Duffel for? It's for someone who prioritizes protection over being lightweight, or if you plan to use this on a bike rack. The build quality is excellent, and the 4 material types were cool, with this wax canvas being my favorite. The quick adjust shoulder strap is the best on the industry. and the padding all around the sides actually protect the laptop, which on a duffel is pretty rare. But the bag is also heavy and pricey, so take that into consideration. Anyways, comment below if you want a response, let's talk, and subscribe for new videos on Sundays. Thanks!